Saab Brasil has consolidated a center of excellence in high technology development, production and maintenance, a direct result of the investments made through the Brazilian Gripen program. Hundreds of engineers and technicians were trained in Sweden, bringing back cutting-edge knowledge, which is now applied and multiplied here. As one of the most attractive employers in the defence and aerospace sector, we value diversity, professional growth and an innovative working environment, inspiring people to reach their full potential. This combination of talent, expertise and world-class infrastructure enables Saab Brasil to deliver advanced services and technological solutions for the entire region, starting with our state-of-the-art sensor laboratory. One of a kind in Latin America, this facility is capable of maintaining electronic warfare systems as well as military and civil radars. Equipped with next-generation test benches for the inspection, maintenance and testing of electronic boards and highly sensitive sensors, the laboratory operates in an environment protected against electrostatic discharge, ensuring precision and reliability at every stage of the process. Beyond its sensor capabilities, Saab Brasil offers a range of advanced industrial services essential for high-technology programs, including engineering and production, with potential to expand its operations beyond the Gripen program. With a highly qualified and experienced team, state-of-the-art infrastructure and robust processes, Saab Brasil contributes to the development of new business across Latin America, providing support and serving as an interface with many customers.